Did you know that over 2.5 million sellers are on Amazon, but only about 10% of them make a lot of money? That's crazy, right? Today, we're going to learn about selling on Amazon and how you can be one of the lucky ones who are making a lot of money. Welcome to my channel, AI Did Not Know That. Today, we're going to talk about something many people are curious about: how to make money on Amazon. Whether you want to earn extra money or are looking for a new career, Amazon can be a great choice. So, stay tuned and let's explore the possibilities together. Now, let's talk about the challenges new Amazon sellers often face. First, there's competition. Many people want to sell on Amazon and many offer similar products. Also, many people think selling on Amazon is as easy as listing a product, but it's much more complex than that. Choosing the right product, pricing, and marketing can feel overwhelming. And don't forget about shipping costs and selling fees. It's easy to get discouraged, but don't worry, we'll learn how to overcome these obstacles. There are many ways to make money on Amazon, and I'll give you a quick overview. First, there's retail arbitrage. This means buying items at low prices in stores or online and selling them on Amazon for a higher price. Then we have private labeling. This means buying products in bulk, giving them your brand name and selling them on Amazon. It's a popular option, but it takes more effort. Finally, there's affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products from other sellers and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique link. Each method has pros and cons, but they can all help you earn good money if done right. Let me tell you about Julie, a stay-at-home mom who started selling on Amazon a year ago. At first, she was completely lost, like many of us, but she decided to try retail arbitrage. She started visiting stores in her town, looking for good deals. In just a few months, she doubled her initial investment and even started using private labeling to create her product line. Now, she makes enough money to quit her part-time job. Her secret? Doing her research and using Amazon's tools to see what's popular. This shows that anyone can succeed with hard work and a good plan. So, to sum up, making money on Amazon isn't easy, but it's definitely possible. Whether through retail arbitrage, private labeling, or affiliate marketing, there are opportunities for those willing to work hard. Remember, the key is to do your research, choose the right products, and put in the effort. Are you ready for the challenge? What are you waiting for? Leave a comment below and share your experience or any questions about selling on Amazon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my next video about advanced selling techniques. See you soon, and good luck with your Amazon journey.